investments are widely needed to make businesses grow and acquire even greater heights. In order to have a properly diversified portfolio, investors need to have at least 60 equities in their portfolio. With the advent of commission-free stock trading, it is now possible to purchase a single share. Investing in the stock market can help you become wealthy. Investing in the stock market is one of the most consistent methods to increase your wealth over time. Making such a big investment could mean a lot of things, such as trust, confidence, and expecting a great outcome. In such matters, can a large company like Binance make hundreds of millions dollars worth of investments to Forbes? Who are these companies involved in the deal? Let's find out today. But first, we're happy to say hello and welcome back to the channel. This is Modern Blockchain, the monster of information when it comes to cryptocurrency, finances, and how we use them in our generation. Today, we're going to be showing you another amazing video. A deal between two well-known companies? It is like a match made in heaven that everyone wants to see. What is the big deal about? We are going to find out today. Also, please subscribe to the channel and enable alerts to be notified of each new upload. Binance gives finance. Binance is a cryptocurrency exchange that is the largest in the world in terms of daily cryptocurrency trading volume. It was established in 2017 and is based in the Cayman Islands. Changpeng Zhao, a developer who previously designed high-frequency trading software, launched Binance. Binance was founded in China, but eventually relocated its headquarters due to the Chinese government's increased control of cryptocurrencies. Fusion Solutions, created in 2005 in Shanghai by CEO Changpeng Zhao, developed high-frequency trading systems for stockbrokers. He joined Blockchain.info as the third member of the Bitcoin Wallet's staff in 2013. He also spent less than a year as CTO at OKCoin, a platform for spot trading between fiat and digital assets. The firm was formed in China, but it relocated its servers and offices to Japan ahead of the Chinese government's ban on cryptocurrency trading in September 2017. Throughout its existence, the business has introduced two cryptocurrencies that it created itself: Binance Coin (BNB), which debuted in June 2017, and Binance Smart Chain (BSC), which debuted in September 2020. Binance Smart Chain employs Proof of Stake Authority, which is a hybrid of Proof of Stake and Proof of Authority. It has 21 validators who have been approved. Binance Coin had the biggest market capitalization as of 2021. Binance allows its customers to pay fees on their exchange with Binance Coin. The German Federal Financial Supervisory Authority warned the business in April 2021 that it faced sanctions if it offered its securities tracking digital tokens without first issuing an investor prospectus. Binance was investigated by the U.S. Department of Justice and the Internal Revenue Service in 2021 on charges of money laundering and tax evasion. Binance was ordered by the UK's Financial Conduct Authority to cease all regulated business in the UK by June 2021. Binance contributed $10 million towards humanitarian needs in Ukraine in February 2022 in response to Russia's invasion of Ukraine in 2022. Changpeng Zhao declined to block Russian users, claiming financial independence. On October 28, 2020, Forbes employees disclosed confidential papers stating that Binance and Changpeng Zhao set up a sophisticated business structure to fool U.S. regulators and surreptitiously profit from cryptocurrency investors in the nation. Binance officially limits access from IP addresses in the United States, but Forbes claims that possible clients will be taught how to circumvent regional limitations. Forbes forming all accords. Forbes is a business magazine published in the United States that is owned by Integrated Whale Media Investments and the Forbes family. It is published 8 times a year and contains articles on money, industry, investment, and marketing. Forbes also covers topics such as innovation, telecommunications, research, politics, and law. The company's headquarters are in Jersey City, New Jersey. Fortune and Bloomberg Businessweek are competitors in the national business magazine sector. Forbes offers an international edition in Asia, as well as licensing versions in 27 nations and areas throughout the world. Forbes magazine was launched on September 15, 1917 by FBC Forbes, a financial writer for the Hearst newspaper, and his partner Walter Dre, the general manager of the Magazine of Wall Street. Forbes provided the money and the name, while Dre contributed the publishing skills. Forbes, devoted to doers and doings, was the magazine's original moniker. Dre was appointed vice president of the BC Forbes publishing company after it was founded, and BC Forbes was appointed editor-in-chief, a position he retained until his death in 1954. BC Forbes' two eldest sons, Bruce Charles Forbes and Malcolm Forbes, aided him in his senior years. Following his father's death, Bruce Forbes took charge, and his skills were in simplifying operations and creating marketing. The magazine's circulation nearly quadrupled during his tenure, 1954 to 1964. Forbes Media, which publishes Forbes magazine, was placed for sale in November 2013. Elevation Partners, a minority stakeholder, supported this. According to sale paperwork filed by Deutsche Bank, the publisher's 2012 earnings before interest, taxes, depreciation, and amortization totaled $15 million. Forbes allegedly asked for $400 million. The Forbes family purchased Elevation in July 2014, and later Hong Kong-based investment entity Integrated Whale Media Investments purchased a 51% stake in the company. The magazine is now popular for its lists and rankings, which include the richest Americans, the Forbes 400, America's wealthiest celebrities, the world's top firms, the Forbes Global 2000, the Forbes list of the world's most powerful people, and the world's billionaires. Forbes magazine's slogan is "Change the World." Steve Forbes serves as its chair and editor-in-chief, while Mike Federle serves as its CEO. It was sold in 2014 to Integrated Whale Media Investments, a Hong Kong-based investment firm. You have reached the halfway point of this video. For the second part, we will be discussing the deal that these two big companies will be making that is flashier than a meteor shower in order to catch our attention. Be sure to keep watching to gather more facts. But first, please give us a thumbs up and turn on notifications to be notified of new uploads. $200 million investment. Binance, the world's largest cryptocurrency exchange, is making a $200 million strategic investment in Forbes, the 104-year-old magazine and digital publisher. According to the people familiar with the transaction, the money will assist Forbes in carrying out its intention to merge with a publicly traded special purpose acquisition company, or SPAC, in the first quarter. Investors have become wary about SPAC purchases in general and media deals in particular in recent months, as the stock market has been in retreat. According to the people who declined to be identified before the transaction was disclosed, Binance will replace half of the $400 million in institutional investment commitments announced by Forbes in August. Forbes, the iconic business information brand that includes representatives and organizes the world's most influential changemakers, and Magnum Opus Acquisition Limited, Magnum Opus, a publicly traded special purpose acquisition company, has confirmed to announce a $200 million strategic investment from Binance. Forbes and Magnum Opus previously announced plans to pursue combining their businesses, which is expected to close in the first quarter of 2022, through which Forbes would become a publicly traded company on the New York Stock Exchange, trading under the ticker symbol FRBS. Going public will allow Forbes to capitalize on its successful digital transformation, using technology and data-driven insights to create more deeply engaged audiences, as well as the associated high-quality and recurring revenue streams. According to the sources, this would make Binance one of the top 2 largest shareholders of Forbes, which would be listed on the New York Stock Exchange under the symbol FRBS. They also stated that the crypto business will receive 2 directors out of a total of 9 board seats. This move demonstrates the crypto sector's growing real-world significance, which has witnessed skyrocketing values and spawned a new class of billionaires and worldwide interest in digital assets. While crypto firms have gone public, had their names emblazoned on sports stadiums, and inundated the airwaves with celebrity endorsements, this is the sector's first significant investment in a conventional U.S. media property. This starts a new generation of essential investments in cryptocurrency. By the end of the year, there may be even more stories that detail the deal between other companies as well. A deal worth not just $1, but $200 million is about to benefit two big companies. And surely, there's more stories we will be unfolding about this matter during this year. Investments such as this are what makes the industry go round. Are you ready to start your own investments, no matter how small? That sums up our video for today. Please don't forget to hit the subscribe button to this channel to be alerted about our new videos. And give us a thumbs up if you liked this video. We're happy to share the crypto information you need. See you in our next video!